तुझा कहीं जाना के? हाँ। कहाँ? देखो बात कर रही है।
धन्यवाद। हाँ उसका ना वो आज कर सेवन पे मेरे पर तेरे मुंह मांगू ले दिया लगी तो उसका वो थैंक यू।
बात कर रही है।
Are you gonna go see your grandpa?
बैठ जाओ।
See your grandpa? Can I see? Can I see Papa? Can I see Grandpa? Yeah. Hey guys, so that's at the hospital. We came to see Amayra's grandpa, who's currently at the hospital doing some checkups. Oi! 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 So look at her. Look. She's so excited about the walk. Who walks like that? Oi! Oi! Amayra, that's someone's office. Wait, come. Oh. That's a doctor's office. Come. We don't even know whose office is this. Hey, come. Shh. Hey, hey. Someone's office. Come. Hey, come. Hey. Naughty, naughty, naughty. The last few days been so hard, man. They've been trying to do anything to convince her because she's been too attached to me. So I'm trying to take a step back and let them enjoy. This is what shops in India look like. You know how we have dairy? So this is their dairy. So we just came from the hospital. Right now we're just, we have a few things that we need to get, like clothes for Amayra, for me, sleepwear, nightwear. Hey guys, so I'm just looking for some summer suits to wear at home since I'm gonna be here for a while, so just trying it out. So this is the first suit. I really like this one. I like the color and it fits perfectly on me. It's just the arms, man. But yeah, such a beautiful suit. And this is the dupatta, the chunni. So pretty. Yeah, so I just showed it to my family and they like it. And they really like it, so I'm gonna take it. They said I was telling them, oh, the hands feels a bit too, you know, feels a bit too tight, and they were like, oh, you're gonna lose weight anyway, which is true. When you're in India, you get to lose a bit of weight if you're non-vegetarian. Okay guys, so this is suit number 2. It's so pretty, so pretty. Look at the pants. It's I like the top. and the tunic. The only problem is that the pants is a little bit too small. But yeah, it's such a beautiful suit. Let me show it to my family. They're probably gonna say, oh, nice top. But the pants, hopefully I can get a concise up on the pants. Let's go show them. Alright, so it's a no from them. I really like the top, but no. Alright, so this is suit number 3. Looks so good. I like the material, it's like silky, and I think it looks good on me. I like the tunic as well. Yeah, it's pretty. What do you guys think? Let's see what my family thinks. Alright, so my family loves the suit, so I'm gonna have to get it, but I'm gonna size up on the pants because they're a little bit too tight on my thighs. Alright guys, this is the last suit that I'm trying, and I think this is the actual what do you call it, tunic for this one, not the yellow one that I just tried. So this is the actual one, actual dupatta for this one. How pretty. So yeah, both fits. It's pretty and it's lightweight, perfect for summer. Alright, let's show it to the fam. I think they're gonna love this. Alright, the family approves. They like how this looks on me, and it's fitting me perfectly, as well as the pants. So that's what they were asking me. Oh, are you sure the pants fit you? I'm happy with what I've tried and what I'm getting. So yes, that is us. By the way guys, I forgot to show you my outfit today. I got this outfit last year when I was pregnant with Amayra. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Yeah. Look baby, look at you. Look at you there. Oh, yeah. Say hi everyone. Hi everyone. Baby, what are you getting today? What are you getting? Are you getting a suit as well? Yeah? Are you? Alright, I lied guys. I saw this one on the hanger and I just couldn't resist. I had to try it. Look, it's so nice and loose, perfect for summer. The material is so, look, just perfect. And this is the tunic dupatta. Look how moony the tunic looks. Oh my goodness, this is so perfect. So yeah, this is another one that I'm taking. Let me show it to the family. You know, we can no, I'll wear something on it. I'll wear like a top. Top inside. What are you saying? Pants are so good. Yeah.
Amayra with the salesman.
Amayra's getting used to everyone, you guys. She's getting better because the past few days, oh my gosh, she just wants me. She was too attached, so I tell her, like, every time she cries, I just leave her to cry. But yeah, another suit. Amayra, this is your section. Yeah, what do you want? What do you want, lovey? Their clothes are really good quality. Oh, she looks so good in this dress. Just a quick, baby's having a quick feed in the freaking. No one knows that I'm here. Yeah, of course. You need to eat, my love. I felt sorry for her. So I'm just in the fitting room, just giving her a feed. So I felt sorry for her because we were all shopping. You know, she's probably hungry, but you know she's too excited to observe everything. So got my outfits. Got outfits for Amayra, and now we're gonna go. Yeah, we'll probably go to another shop to get her some more outfits, and then we're gonna go do some grocery shopping. You know, food and that. Yeah. She's sleepy. That's why she wants to come to me. Are you sleepy, lovey? Alright, let's go to another shop. We've been here for a few hours now. Yeah. Hey, let's go. It's so busy outside. So busy. It's nice weather outside. It's not bad. It's not hot at all. It's getting cooler now. So busy.
सब चल रही होगी फिर तो
हाँ छोटा सा
हाय इनके किन्हीं गए इन्हें खाते से तो कान तो कौन
ये तो शायर है इसका
अच्छा इधर घूमना करेगी फिर सारिया गोला घूमना करेगा फिर इसका राज आ जाएगा भाई हमारा राज तो
Yeah, she's looking. Yeah.
तेरे को बहुत चटके इसका पर शूल पैसे
What's pee
पी के
pee?
अंदर लंबा ज़्यादा तक बढ़ो नोंडी पी आरोह बढ़ ज़्यादा
vehicle.
हाँ
Car by PP.
गोलू गोलू नहीं सुन
Pushparaj.
तो नहीं था कई बार अभी गए दाना जो हम भी अभी ना
So this is the fruit market. Fruit, veggies. Ooh, everyone's just busy. Oh, gopi. That's another one. Cauliflower. Side. So busy.
Yeah, busy because it's Sunday, no?
It's Sunday, yeah. So much going on outside. Watch out.
Amazon is only 2,700.
Huh? Can we get one?
So that you couldn't know how.
Alright, we're just here to have dinner. Oh, it's busy. It's busy on a Sunday. That's our menu.
Darling,
Garlic cheese naan.
क्या बोली गाली ना एक स्टफ
Butter naan? am so hungry, guys. So hungry. Amayra sleeping already. मुझे बहुत भूख लगी है. Where's Sana?
लस्सी for you as well?
Yeah, the white one.
2 लस्सी ले मिट्टी 4 मिट्टी लस्सी
We've got sweet lassi, green salad. So nice and refreshing. That's the best lassi that you can ever have. Yum! What is that? What's this?
कढ़ाई पनीर
Karai paneer.
मटर मेथी मलाई
Mutton meaty.
मलाई ऊपर से तो ये ले लेना जो ये खा जाए
Cottage cheese. It is another day. I've got my nephew there. He came to play with Amayra, but Amayra's asleep at the moment. So today I'm just making paratha. I am making dal paratha. There we go. So it's dal, leftover dal from yesterday. Just mixed it with atta. So yeah, this is our paratha, you guys. Here we go. It's so hot here in India, but the last couple of days it's been very cool because it's been raining the last couple of days, which is helping. How can you eat the mirach?